What are you doing?
At the shop, what you doing?
Same.
Do you guys by chance have float tanks in stock? I'm kind of in a pickle.
Yeah, man. I got 18-inch and 24-inch on hand. What do you need?
Could I go ahead and get an 18-inch? I'm working on this R8 and I don't have a tank for it, man.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. That's fine. I keep plenty in stock, so it's not a big deal.
Dude, thank you so much. You guys are freaking great. Just come on over as soon as you possibly can.
Yeah, I'll load it up and I'll head over that way. Give me just a little bit.
Sweet. Thank you guys so much.
No problem.
All right. Bye. Bye.
Special delivery?
Come on. You got the tanks?
Yes, sir. Hey guys, I'm Matt. I own Speedhaus in Edmond, Oklahoma.
This is I'm Justin. I own Lyons Co in Edmond, Oklahoma.
We both do airride suspension together. Our whole goal was to come and bring two businesses together to show the community that it doesn't always have to be competition. We tag teamed and collaborated a build that is behind us, and I'll let Justin kind of take that over and talk to you about that.
So with this project, I wanted to bring a positive outlook to the community. There's a lot of competition, especially when you build into stance cars, goal secrecy and stuff, and that follows through into the shops as well. So I wanted to be transparent. So I reached out to our homies here at Speedhaus. They have a really good connection with float air tanks. We decided that we were going to collaborate and use those float air tanks on our Audi R8 build. This build is a little bit different than other Gen 2 Audi R8s because we use airlift struts. We kind of just work together. We've worked on other projects together, and it's a great environment when you can bring the community of shops and build these kind of cool cars to put not only Oklahoma on the map, but small businesses in general on the map. Competition doesn't have to be a thing. Building dreams for customers, that's the goal as a business owner in the automotive community.
Man, I couldn't say it better myself. I'm just glad to bring something positive to the community, work together, build something great, and just show the world what we can do.